These are really heavy. Hello, my lovelies. I knew I was going to end up dropping them. I knew I was. Oh. You know when you know something's slipping out of your hand, it's just not worth it. Just drop it. Yes. Right then. Now, I don't know if you can remember. I did it about a month ago. What'd you say? Yeah? We got a lock. We did. We got, well, that's the handle to go with it. But we got a Perry Quality and Performance lock in 50 length. Yes. Now, Mr. Producer has now started to build the gate that the lock is going for. And he has decided he wants a longer one, basically. So, he's found a new one called Gatemate. Yes. Now, he wanted a 60 plus, and I'm trying to balance it on 2 fingers and hold it up at the same time. He wanted a 60 plus, but he couldn't find a 60 length. So, he went for a 70. He did. If I tilt it any more forward, it will drop on the bed. Should we try it? Let's move things out the way, and we'll see if it works or not. Yeah, a bit like that. So, we went for Gatemate. He got it from eBay. It was about £43, £44. He's not 100% sure on that one. And you got a handle with it though. So, not a bad price. It's really heavy, so it must be decent quality as well. So we're going to open it up. I've been told I do not need my safety thing, because, not that Mr. Producer's opened it, he says. He says he hasn't been playing with it. I don't believe him, but he says it hasn't. Right, so, it's black and chrome. And I like the box. I know, I'm a proper girl. I like the box. Even on the lock, I like the box. I do. So it's a Gatemate Superior Gate Furniture. Why is it furniture? Why is it classed as furniture? Pardon? Because it goes on to... Because you sit on it. What? Oh, okay, I didn't understand that. Right, it's a long throw gate lock. Discover Gatemate, one of the largest ranges of pre-packed door and gate furniture. Supplied complete with screws, fixings and fitting instructions. Gatemate is an established hardware brand, recognised for its huge range of superior quality door and gate furniture. Created in 2000, oh, it's not been going long then. The Gatemate range has gone from strength to strength and is now a leading and trusted brand nationwide. So, Gatemate, if you have a brochure or catalogue and you see this video, I would be more than happy to go through them for you if you want to send me one. Contact me through my Twitter. Yes, ADELESEXYUK. Just get that in there. Right, so it comes with 5 keys as standard. I like the orange. It's elongated, anti-rattle keep, patent pending. It's when somebody creates a pattern of something, they have to put it for patent protection, so then nobody else can copy the pattern. I think that one said the same thing, didn't it, about patent pending? Is it a rush to the finish line or something? I'm not sure if it said it on the box though. It didn't say it on the box. Anyway, yes. High security 6-pin lock barrel. High security stainless steel screws and driver bit included. I like the idea of the driver bit included, just in case you don't have that piece of equipment. Did you think I was going to say something else? High corrosion resistant 316 stainless steel locking bolt. Unique bolt design with hardened core to prevent cutting. So it's for side gates, shed doors, garage doors and back doors, it says. Look at this. And then I like this bit, look. It has a congratulations speech. It says, congratulations for choosing the best throw gate lock. Long throw gate lock. We've included everything you will need to fit, including fixings and drill bits to make installation as quick as easy as possible. Oh, I like it. Oh, the keys have moved. I like the packaging though. I do. So in this section here, oh look, so a little bit out there, you get your 5 keys. So there's 5 keys there, and you get your face. So with the lock, what you can do is you either have your handle for the lock to fit through that hole there, so you have your handle to open and close, or you can have the lock flush to your gate or shed or back door or wherever. If you don't want a handle, you use this one. If you want a handle, you use this one. Simples. Yes. Was it more money if you had the handle? Came with the packaging. You spoke then. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did, because I heard you. Do you not speak? No. Okay, so here is the actual lock. Take that bit out. So there is your locking bolt. That is locked at the moment. And your actual key part, barrel, see? Barrel is from that part all the way up there. So you basically, you fix this onto it and that goes through your wood. That one does. It doesn't look very big, does it? Should be 70, should it? We'll have a look in a second. That's your saddle. There's your instructions I'll look at in a second. There is your drill bits. 3 of them. For your wood as well. Ooh. Your fixings. And what's this one? Fixing template. Ooh. Interesting. You have a left way and a right way. No. Whatever thought just popped in your head then. I'm not doing it. I knew you was going to say that. You've made this too easy, Gatemate. But yeah, there's your template for your lock to go on. That's good. Darren doesn't have that. Perry doesn't have that. Right, let's get the instructions out, shall we? Something on my foot. Sorry. It's something on my foot. Long thread gate lock fixings instructions. Using the template provided, place it on the gate to identify the correct position. Secure it into position. Drill the pilot holes. Insert the lock and secure into place using the fixing screws. Position the strike over the bolt. When the keep is in correct position, secure using the security fixings. Place the something over the cylinder to obtain the correct position. 6 steps. And it's meant to be done. Yes, don't keep pointing at me, I am not doing it. He keeps going, you're going to do it, you're going to do it. Right, I'm going to show you how it locks now. So the saddle. This is the saddle. So you've got your metal, but then that bit's plastic. Why is that bit plastic? Why did they put a plastic box in it? Does it fit on with that plastic box in? Yeah, it does. So I don't quite understand why they have done that. 5 keys. It's a jingle jangle. You insert like so. You turn it. Oh, the saddle's gonna fall out. Keep turning, and look, we are now undone. Yay! And then we're gonna lock it up again. And I'm locking it up. So you can make it a longer gap. You know, if you have a bigger gap, you can make it really long, or you can make it shorter if you want to. So that is the beauty of this one. You can make it shorter or longer, whichever way you want it. And you just pop the key out. And we're not getting out, we're locked in. Yeah. We're out. Put them. Can you have it on the other side, can you? Ooh, let's have a look. I bet you can. Oh, it's ambidextrous, is it? But I suppose if it is going to do left and right, it's got to be able to go on the other side, hasn't it? If you've got a template for left and right positioning, you've got to have it on the template. I just nearly threw that on my foot. Oh, it moved. Sorry. Where's the silver thing? It's in the packaging. I don't want to take it out of the packaging. But that fits on there, look. Oh, that thing. Like so. Turn it all of it. I didn't know what you meant. But yeah, I like that. Oh, it turns the keys when you move it. What? You're watching my keys? Like, take the key out. It's locked now. You won't move now. Gotta have the key in. For it to move. My keys. You are not allowed in my nature's garden again. Right. So there are all the fixings and the fixings. Fixings and fixings? Fixings and features of the Gatemate. Now, the Perry is... The tools are here. Goes with that one. Yeah, it's got a circle in it. It fits in. Yeah, fits. It's a special one, yeah. So you haven't got that little bit of drill bit. It's a good job they sent it. And then I like the idea that they gave you the wood one as well. A lot of them don't do that. And then your normal drill bit. Now the Perry one is good. It is good. When we did the review on it, it was really good. It's just the fact that it's too small for what he needs now. So what we're going to use the Perry one, because Mr. Producer's not only building a gate, he's building me a shed as well for all of my crap, basically. Yes. But he thinks he's putting his crap in there as well, and he's got another thing coming. Yes. So we're going to use the Perry one, which is just as good, just not big enough for the current project, on my shed. Put the saddle in there. We're going to put all this back in together. Sit in. Thank you. It's not going back on. Why are you clicking your fingers? That sits in there, babe. Hey, babe. That sits in there. There's only these bits that go in here. And I think that sits up, because otherwise it's not fitting in. There we go. It's in. I'm liking the jingle jangle of the keys. Kind of in. More or less in. Okay. I like how they've done this. They've really thought about how to do this part. Apparently. And then it goes. Ta-da! Kind of in. With your Gatemate handle as well. So, like I said before, Gatemate, if you see this video, I will try and tag you in it on Twitter. If you see it, send your brochure. I would be quite happy to do your review. I will. Contact me through Twitter, my lovelies, ADELESEXYUK. Now, give it a like for me, guys. Give it a subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram, ADELESEXYUK, of course. Come and check out my amazing Patreon. From only $1 a month, you get patron-only pictures and videos exclusively for my patrons. For the month of September, I am doing my WhatsApp telephone number again, so I get to talk to them on a daily basis. We get to video chat, we get to all sorts, yes. Google me, ADELESEXYUK Patreon, or come through the links that are on my Twitter and Instagram, ADELESEXYUK. Check to see if it's in the box below. Probably won't be, because it's an over 18, but you never know. And I will see you soon, my lovelies. Gatemate says, alright.